Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'll be showing you how you can easily make this porridge yam with just few ingredients. So the first thing is to add your washed yam into your pot. Add some water, just a little bit above the yam. Then add a lot of onions. You can use any onion of your choice, whether pink or white. Add some dry catfish. You can use fresh fish to make this, whether mackerel or fresh catfish, but I'm using dry catfish. Add some pepper. I'm using dry chili pepper. You can use fresh habanero pepper. Then I'll be adding some salt. Then after that, I will follow it up with some palm oil. Add a lot of palm oil. This dish requires a lot of palm oil, but if you don't eat palm oil, you can skip it. If you're on a diet, you can also add little palm oil. Then I'll add some seasoning cube. You can use any seasoning powder of your choice. Then I will give it a stir to make sure that it is soaked up with the ingredients. Then after that, I will cover the pot and start cooking on a medium heat for at least 35 to 40 minutes, depending on the type of yam. This yam here is very hard. There are some yam that doesn't take time to be cooked. Then after 40 minutes, I checked and it is ready. The knife can easily cut through the yam. It's not 100% done, but at least it is almost done. So I will be mashing some yams. I mashed like 2 pieces so that it will thicken up the porridge. Depending on how you want it, you can mash a lot of yams. So I'll be adding some crayfish at this point. Then I'll also be adding some dry scent leaf. If you have fresh scent leaves, make use of that. I only have dry scent leaves over here in the diaspora. I will stir it again, and also while cooking porridge yam, if you stir it so often, it will also make it to thicken up because it will be loosening. Some yams will be loosening. So I will also test for salt. If you need to adjust salt, you can add more salt, but at this point I'll be covering it and allow the vegetables to cook for like 5 minutes. Then after that, I will give it another stir just to make sure that the thickness is okay to my satisfaction. Then I will add some kale leaf. You can make use of spinach. I'm making use of kale because that is what I have here. Then I will cover and cook for more 5 minutes because kale leaf is very strong. It's a hard vegetable. Then after 5 minutes, it is ready. Then I will be dishing it out. And once this gets cold, it will thicken up again. So, and this is how the final look looks like. It tasted so good. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, and see you in my next video.